Hey guys, today we have a makeup haul. Now, I know that I've been saying I'm not buying anything, but this I actually ordered before my birthday. This was like a birthday present. Me and my mum kind of like, she gave me some money towards it as well, and it's only just shown up. So, promise that I'm still not buying makeup. This has only just shown up. So, I bought my first ever things from Melt, and I'm so excited. I was watching Jen Love's channel, and like I was watching like a video from a few months back where Melt had collabed with Nightmare Before Christmas, and I was like, why did I not ever buy that? And then I went to the website and they still had some of the products, and it was also on sale, so I was like, meant to be right before my birthday. I love Nightmare Before Christmas. If you don't know, it's one of my all-time favorite movies. So let's get into it. So first, I just want to show you the box. Like when you order it, it's got like Jack's like outfit pattern on it, and it says "Thank you, we love you" from Melt, and I just think that's so cute. I don't know if it's meant to be like that, but to me that's what it looks like. He's like Jack's little suit patterns, so I don't know if that was intentional. But then we get this super cute little postcard, and it says Christmas Town Collection. So we've got that there, and then we also have this beautiful model here, and yeah, anyway, so there was, I think originally they came out with two collections. I am going to have a quick look on my phone. So yeah, to me it looks like they came out with two different collections. They had I think they had the Christmas Town collection and also the Halloween Town collection. So originally, oh my god, let me just have a look. So yeah, it looks like in the original Halloween Town collection they had sorry, I just need to find it. Okay, so it looks like they had a eyeshadow palette, the Halloween Town bag, which was Jack's outfit. They had a mirror. They had the True Love Never Dies Digital Dust highlighter. They had the Pumpkin King Ultra Matte lipstick. They had Lock Shock Barrel Ultra Matte lipstick, so they were just two different lipsticks. They had the Master of Fright gel liner and the Terrible Vision gel liner. So from the original Halloween Town collection, I got two products, I think. They didn't have everything left on the website, but they had a couple of things, and this is what I got from the Halloween Town. So I got the eyeshadow palette, and it has Oogie Boogie on it. So cute. This is honestly like a dream come true for a Nightmare Before Christmas fan. They've just done such a good job, like. And then on the back it's got Isn't It Terrifying? So cute. Like the whole palette is textured, and it's just got so many little intricate details and things like that. It says Halloween Town on the side, and then this is the palette here. And it's a little moticular? No, what is it called? I don't know. I can't remember. But anyway, so when you open up the palette, this is how it looks. It's not my usual colour story, but I actually quite like it. I feel like it fits the Nightmare Before Christmas theme so well. And the little shade names in here, like Bone Daddy, Wormswort, Oogie Boogie, like they're all just so cute. And yeah, I just love the little decorations around the side. I just think they've done a really great job. So, and it feels very high quality and very like luxurious. I've actually never tried anything from Melt Cosmetics. I'm really excited. I also got the Digital Dust highlighter. This is in True Love Never Dies. We have Jack and Sally on the front. And then this is the packaging here. Stunning. And then inside, this is so beautiful. I'm going to zoom in so you can. We have Jack and Sally like printed on. It's so pretty. And then like on the mirror we have the little heel thing. And it says, I'll be your nightmare. So cute. I actually really love this. I think this is so beautiful. I don't even honestly want to use it because I don't want to take that imprint out. But oh, I just love that. Like that's stunning. So that was everything I got from the Halloween Town collection. Then they also had the Christmas Town collection, and I got the full collection of that. So first it comes with this bag that has 0 on it, which is so cute. And like this feels like such a good quality bag. Then we have Melt on one of the zips, and then we've got a little picture of Jack and 0 on the other bit. In the back, it's like embossed in there, the little Christmas sleigh, and it's got like 0 at the front, and then like the little reindeers, and then Jack on the sleigh with the presents and stuff. Is Jack on there? I can't tell. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. But like, oh, it's just so... Like the detail is just so amazing. Like, I just feel like everything has been done really, really well. And coming from such a huge Nightmare Before Christmas fan, I'm so glad to see that it's been done well. So when you open it up, the bag itself is actually really, really nice. Got some pattern on the inside. We have 0. On the inside, we've got like a couple of sections. We have this section here, and then we also have a section in here. So the bag itself is really nice, and then all of the products are in here. So the first thing that I have is the glitter eye gel in 0. And once again, the packaging is just so cute. And this one looks real pretty. This is like a white colour with like different shimmers all through it. And yeah, packaging 10 out of 10. I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer because I feel like it works better. So, come on girl, focus. So yeah, that's that. And then that's what it looks like on the inside. I will be doing a full collection reviews. I don't know why I had to smell that. Kind of smell like Play-Doh, but I love Play-Doh, so I don't care. We have another glitter eye gel. This one is called Making Christmas, and it's got all the little presents that they make. If you watch the movie, you can see them making all their little Christmas presents, and it's so cute. And it's also a song in the thing. Making Christmas. So yeah, I don't know. I just think, and then like around the cap, they've got all these little details. I don't know, they've just done a really great job. This one's beautiful, by the way. This is a duochrome, like blue purpley kind of colour. Melt now needs to do the rest. They need to do Corpse Bride. They need to do a Beetlejuice, would be cool. I know Coraline isn't Tim Burton, but they need to do a Coraline. That'll be sick. Coraline's not Tim Burton, so I don't think so. We have the Ultra Matte lipstick in Shot Down. We have Jack on the front with the little... Oh, so cute! He's hanging up the little Christmas lights. And yeah, the packaging of this is just so cool. Like, we have Jack on the sleigh. And yeah, I don't know. I'm going to keep saying it. It's so well done and I love it. And then this lipstick is like a brown... It's actually purple, sorry. It's like a purple shade. Mine looks a little bit worse for it, but I don't care. I have swatched it as well. And on the inside, we've got little spider webs and things like that. That's the first lipstick we have. We have another lipstick. This is the How Jolly Frost lipstick. Oh my god, I ripped the packaging! I'm gonna start crying. No, that's alright. And this one has Jack on the sleigh again. I think the packaging is just the same, to be honest. But then when you open this one up, this is green and it looks like it's got like little shimmers through it. So cute. Love it. Also, I saw Balenciaga's collection on there. I really want to get that. Like, that looked really, really nice. Like I said, I haven't tried anything from Melt, but this is like my first time trying stuff from them, and so far I'm really impressed. I mean, obviously I haven't tried the products yet, but just the packaging alone. This is the Deadly Nightshade Cream Blush and Highlighter Duo. We have Sally on there. Oh, I just love it. Like, how am I meant to throw out this packaging? How? And then this one has Sally on there, and I think she's holding the Deadly Nightshade. Just so cute. And then this one says, I had the most terrible vision. That's what Sally says to Jack when she has the vision of him getting shot down in the sleigh. So yeah, we have blush and a highlight. So cute. I'm so excited. And then the last thing that we have is the Christmas Town palette, which is like when you unzip this, it's in there. This one has Jack on the front. I just love these so much. Like, oh, so cool. They've done such an amazing job. Like, and I feel like they've made it feel really like sophisticated. Even though, you know, it's like a children's movie, like I feel like some brands that have done things before have really cheapened the movie. And I know that I sound like a massive like kind of nerd right now, but I do love this movie so much, and I'm really glad that this collection has been well done, because this movie holds like such a special place in my heart. So lenticular, that's the word, lenticular motion. So you have Jack on here and it's like a lenticular. Hopefully that's right, otherwise I'm gonna be embarrassed. Cute, we have the Sandy Claus, Smithereens, Sugar Plum Visions, cute. So yeah, this is the colour story of this palette, and I'm really excited to try out Melt's eyeshadow formula. I think I've heard good things. I feel like Royal Beauty Christie used to really love them, so I'm so excited. So hats off already to Melt Cosmetics, because I feel like this just looks so amazing. Yeah, that was my little haul, and keep an eye out soon because I'll definitely be doing reviews on these. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.